Huwag mong gawain niya kasi talagang kung sa opisina kita, barilin kita. Totoo, para mo akong pinahiya.
Kung sino sa tingin mo ang nag-fill up ng blanco? Kung
Mahirap
yung
kasi.
BICAM pa rin ba who operates as the third chamber o merong fourth chamber na unknown?
Well, let us assume na yung mga pumirma sila. But tama yung imagination mo. Yung BICAM has been called now the third chamber kasi binabago talaga nila binabago nila yung budget. Nung araw, inabutan ko pa yun sa that was 16th Congress na kung ano yung natapos ng House,
Appropriations Act.
Appropriations Act, GAB, at saka yung GAB na ginawa ng Senate, gagawa pa kami ng matrix. Yung House version kasi versus Senate version, then yung variance. Yun ang pag-usapan nyo kung ano yung
So, reconciliation.
reconciliation, may matrix. Ngayon, binabago talaga nila lahat. So, that's why we call it third chamber. Yung possible imagination na may fourth chamber na nag-fill up. Well, kung meron man, those who sign are still responsible kasi sila pumirma eh.
Falsification yan. If it changes the meaning, if it's just a grammar, putting a correct one or in ganon, okay pa yan. And or, pero if you change, put there a sentence to change its meaning, far different from the original intent of Congress or the executive order, then it changes the meaning and you are not allowed to do that because you can go to jail. Huwag mong gawain niya kasi talagang kung sa opisina kita, barilin kita. Totoo, para mo akong pinahiya.